welcome to my channel. I'm Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. Today I got 2 small packages and I figured I would show you what I got. So I'm going to open this one first. And hopefully I don't cut myself. So this one is from Jim's Handmade Pin Shop on Etsy. And I have a couple. I have some more from him somewhere else. This one is the hybrid. It is like a glitter teal with wood, and this has bats in it. So it's really cute, and Halloween happens to be my favorite holiday, so anything to do with Halloween type stuff, I'm all over it. I saw that one and I had to have it. I also have one. It's actually my husband's. I got it for him, and it is got money shredded in it. It is really cool looking. So this one is a little something different. It's going to be the first one of these I have. As you can see, the bag is small, and that's because it's a mini. So really wanted to try out a mini, see how I liked it, you know, kind of just get a feel for it. He puts a straightener on it, which is kind of cool, and that's going to be number 1. And just to get a size difference, that's the mini versus the regular. This one has 4 bumps, this one has 3, so you can see they're all a little bit different. That one I picked from ones he already had made. This one was custom. The shredded money one is custom that I had for my husband made, and then this one again, it's a custom. So it's a mini little guy. He's really cute. I really like Jim's pins. I have had just incredible love of them now. He is an artist. That's all I can say about that. So that's number 1, and like I said again, Jim's Handmade Pin Shop on Etsy. I will link it at the bottom so you guys can, you know, take a look for yourself. Forgive me while I struggle to get this open. This was packaged well, or I'm just not able to open things. Either way, this one, I got a few things in here. And I already ordered another one from her that I ordered another one that I already received, and again, that was another one that I bought for my husband. It is a Darth Vader for him because he likes Star Wars a lot. So here are the first 2. So it is Salem Broom Company, and the handbook for the recently deceased. Like I said, obsessed with Halloween. So here's a couple that I found. Beetlejuice is one of my favorite movies. Super love that. So there's number 1. And here are 2 more. Just a bunch of Hocus Pocus, a witch's hat. I just kept seeing the Halloween ones. Can't help it, y'all. It's an obsession. Here is her information, and again, I'll link it at the bottom, but here is her business card, and we're going to keep going and looking at what else I got. I'm trying to keep these so you guys can see them because they're really cute. And then, don't be a salty, you know, and what? Super funny because I saw this one, I had to get it, and my best friends actually bought me a shirt recently that says "Don't be a salty heifer," because sometimes I can be a little salty. Alright. Got this really cool Scorpio one. I am a cusp baby, and I am a Scorpio Sagittarius cusp. So I saw that one, really liked the design on it. Had to have that one. I swear, cover minders are like potato chips, can't just have one. Then I have my little pig. I love pigs. Another Halloween one. When witches go riding and black cats are seen, the moon laughs and whispers, it's near Halloween. So far, that is my haul from Kim's. I have one more package that's got a couple on it. So, not my circus, not my monkeys. I happen to say that a lot. Hashtag dog mom. I'm obsessed with my dogs. I love my dogs. I'm a human mom as well, but you know, I love all my kids, fur, non-fur. And then this one is actually for a friend. She loves Hello Kitty. I saw the Hello Kitty. Now they're all sticking together. Magnets are super duper strong, obviously. Let's try and get them all in the camera. She loves Hello Kitty. I saw that one. I thought that one was really cute, so I just added it to my cart. And there you go. So again, I'll link both Jim's Handmade Pin Shop and Kim's Creative Needle Minders on their Etsy shops to my link, to my page down here, so you guys can go check them out. Both of them were shipped really quickly, and I'm really impressed so far. So there you have it. Hope to see you guys back. Thanks for watching.